Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This channel will upload with AutoCAD 2D, 3D drawing tutorials, Autodesk Inventor tutorials, and other mechanical knowledge. Okay, before we start the drawing, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today, I will show you how to draw this 3D mechanical parts. This is 3D mechanical modeling. I will provide this dimension drawing PDF in the description list. You can download it and tutorial by yourself. Okay, and to draw this drawing, open to AutoCAD and then choose that drawing there. Okay, so this is that AutoCAD's workspace. So you can easily know where workspace you were here. So check the workspace here, workspace switchings. So I will start already choose 3D modeling. If you not there, choose 3D modeling there. Okay. So this is the 3D modeling workspace. And then you will change the view here. This is virtual styles. I will choose the 2D wireframe because the wireframe is more clearly to see and it make more stable your computer's hardware. Okay. Draw the drawings here. In this drawing, we start at the base plate here. So the base plate's dimension is 160. Okay. To draw the drawings, yes, this is the XY plane, XY Z plane, and Z axis. So all the sketch are drawn in the XY axis only. Choose the top view here, navigation here. Okay. REC for rectangle. Enter. Clicks here. Fatal dimensions. X value is 100, 60 for the width. Okay. And then SCOI, using SCOI to zoom in, zoom up of the your drawings. Okay. Now you get this. And then C for the cycles, clicks the midpoint, and then that point. Okay. Now moods, clicks the quadrants here. So if you cannot see the quadrants, you need to open the assigns quadrant snap relation in there. Okay. Quadrant, that one. Enter. Okay. Now you need to trim, trim, enter to delete unnecessary parts. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And then erase the line. Okay. Okay. Now complete the sketch. You need to assign the height of the joints is 12 millimeter from the base. Okay. So to change this, change the view here, isometrics here, and then Presspull in the modeling. Inside, click, up, need to assign the values 12 millimeter. Enter. Okay. Now you get this, the 3D base. Okay. Now check the drawing here. So next plan, we need to draw these objects. So I will explain. There are so many objects in there. We need to draw step by step object. That one, and that one. So we finished that one. So next step A, we need to draw this one. So radius 20 there. Okay. So to draw this, you need to change the UCS here 3 points because AutoCAD's 3Ds only based on only the AutoCAD's 2D snapping is working only on the XY plane. Okay, X1. Okay, you can see the views here, and then top view there. C for the cycle, clicks, radius 20, enter. And then L for the line here, split the quadrant to 60. I will show you how to draw this 60. So that 16 should be I will already showing. Okay. Now, so we complete that and that line, and then need to offset 30 from the base to there. Okay. Type O for the offsets, 3 zeros, enter. That line to enter. Okay. train command cuts the unnecessary line. Okay. Now connects the close targets line for the close. Okay. Then we already chose the holes diameter 18. 18. Okay. C for the cycle. Clicks the centers diameters 1/8. Enter. Okay. And switch to the isometric layers. Okay. So Presspull layers to 60. Enter. Okay. Now we need to move this objects to the main object here. Click the tip of the end and then that one. Yeah. So that means you are to draw this object. It should be there. We are already there here. So flex here and then extend. So means we already here. So we need to move to the right is 8 millimeters. So and for the move command, click objects little bit right 8 millimeters. And then now okay, 8 millimeter is okay. And then now we need to draw this object here. So this object is 12 millimeters and 13 millimeter, which there are their dimensions. So 12 and 13. Okay. So I erase the unnecessary batch. Okay. I see rectangle. Sorry, I see rectangle clicks. So we need to fill the dimension. So the x value is 12, comma the y value is 13. Okay. And then Presspull to 60. Yeah. And then we already stored this rectangle box, and then we need to hold this cycle here. Okay. So this is the radius 13 in the middle. Okay. To draw this chain, the UCS clicks X, Y, C for the cycle, clicks here, radius 13. Okay. We need to move this cycle back to the middle here and then Presspull. Okay. Erase the sketch. Now we complete. Okay. Now we need to move this object here to here to that point, because why I move to that point, I will explain here. Now we are here and then makes that according to the drawings 20 millimeters from that point to that point. So we need to move, and for the move this object click outside to Z-axis according to the Z-axis 20. Okay. Now erase the sketch. Okay. Now we finish there, and then we need to cut off this hole. So we need to little bit calculation. So the distance is, the whole distance is 60. So this is 7.5 and 7.5. 7.5 into 2 is so 1.5 millimeter. So 60 minus 1.5 should be the gap of the trim. Okay. 60 minus 15. Okay. To calculate this, quick calculator, 60 minus 15 is 45. Okay. So 60 minus 50 is 45. Okay. Okay. So we got it, the x values and the y values. Oh, the y value is already over. It's not important. Okay. Draw this L for the lines. Here, clicks to 45, and then the up is over the drawings. I will choose something 130. and then this bed 45. Okay, but this length is not necessary. This length should be the over over the joints, because we need to cut off this. Okay, press pull there is not necessary there. Okay, so to move this objects here, let's here. Okay, erase the sketch. Okay, now we are here, that part. So we need to move 75 to the right and 77.5 to the up. Okay, move select objects, click outside along the x-axis 7.5, enter, and then move again, click outside to the up is 7.5. Okay, now here the solid substrate commands, click the mother of. Okay, we need to combine these two substrate objects to combine here, union. Okay. Okay, so we need to combine these three objects. Let's enter. Okay, and then we make a hole there, diameter 18. Okay, so we need to move here and shift right click mid between 2 points to the midpoints and then midpoint. So you can see the UCS is inside the middle, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, and then C for the cycle, and then center point 0, 0, enter, and then D for the diameters 1/8. Okay, now press full stitch holes to cutouts. Okay, and then we need to draw the twinned object there, 40s. Okay, so L for the line, 4014s, and then ovals the joints, some things I need to 1/5 zeros, and then 4014s bits. Okay, and then press push here to 6. Okay, and then move these objects from the midpoint to that point. So, okay, so solid substrate, here's the mother object, enter to substrate object. Okay, now erase the unnecessary line. Okay, erase the sketch. Okay, now we need to trim diameter 16 there. Okay, C for the cycle, it's D for the diameter 16, and then press pull to cut off. Okay, and then finally the ones, they are diameter 10, dimension from the base is 12, and that point's 15. Okay, so we need to draw here, draw there, here, x-axis, this is x, sorry, 3 point again, click the base, this is x, this is y. Okay, C for the cycle 0, 0, D for the diameter 10. So we need to move this cycle to the up is outside 12, and then move here, move to this. So the height is 50. So the 15 minus 12 is to get here 15 minus 15 and 12. So 15 plus 12 is 15 plus 12 is 27. So 50 minus 27 should be its location. Okay. So 50 minus 27 is 23. Okay. So put here to how much? 23. Okay. 23. Okay. Here. Okay. Now cut off Presspull to there. Okay. Now check the rotate here to check the drawings. Okay. And then change the realistic view. So first one is move the inside drawing here to the little bit right. So we need to erase the sketch. Okay. Now we complete the drawings here. You can make colors to that drawing. Click, right click on the drawing, properties, and then color. Choose the color that you want. I will choose the science. Okay. Okay, now you complete. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.